So for x in the equation 4x plus 4 raised to power x plus 16 raised to power x equal to 64 raised to power x. We're asked to find the real values of x. Hello everyone, welcome to this math class. In our solutions today, we're going to find the real values of x in this exponential equation. But before we do that, kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now let's solve this question. We are going to quickly solve this question by simplifying these expressions. If we simplify these expressions, we are going to get 2 raised to power 2 all in bracket x plus, remember 16 is what? 8 times 2 all raised to power x, and that will be equal to 84 is going to give us 8 square raised to power x. So remember from our indices that if we have a raised to power x raised to power y, it will be equal to a raised to power y all raised to power x, and it can be equal to a raised to power x what? Y. So if we apply these two expressions into the expression above, we're going to have 2 raised to power x square plus 8 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power x equal to 8 raised to power x all raised to power square. So simplifying this further, we are going to assume that every other part, including the left hand side, will be divided by what? 2 x squared. So if we divide every other part by 2x squared, we're going to have reduce the expression. We divide this part by 2x squared to make our equation simpler. This part will clear this part, and then we'll have this 2x, 2x squared clearing 2x here, and this will give us, this expression will now give us 1 plus 8 raised to power x over 2 raised to power x equal to 8 over 2 all raised to power x all raised to power what? Square. Now we're going to bring out the right hand side to this other part, and that will give us 1 plus, this will give us 8 over 2 all raised to power x. When this comes over here, give us minus 8 over 2 x all raised to power 2, and that will be equal to what? 0. So having arrived at this, we are going to find out that 8 raised to power x, 8 over 2 raised to power x is common. So we'll let 8 over 2 raised to power x to be equal to m. If we do that, we are going to simply simplify that equation to give us simplify that equation to give us 1 plus m minus what? M square equal to 0. So if we rearrange this expression, we'll have a minus m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. So multiply through by minus will give us m square minus m minus 1 equal to 0. Voila, we have a quadratic formula. So quadratic equation requires us taking or using a quadratic formula to find the value of m. So we're going to use a quadratic formula in which our m will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now from that expression, our a will be equal to 1, our b is equal to minus 1, and our c is equal to minus 1. So we'll substitute those values into the quadratic formula. If we substitute that, you're going to have our m to be equal to minus into bracket minus 1, that's the value of b, plus or minus square root of b square, which is minus 1 square, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, and this will be over 2 times 1. So this will give us what? This will give us the expression our m will be equal to minus times minus 1 will give us 1, plus or minus square root of what? 1 plus 4 times minus 4 times 1 will give us minus 4, times minus 1 will give us plus 4. So if we do that, we are going to have plus 4 over 2. So our m will be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. That's the solution we are going to get. So our m will give us two solutions: 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 and 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So since we are looking for real values of x, we are not going to use this because this is going to give us an imaginary solution because it is less than 0. So we are going to neglect this solution, and then we'll work with this with this solution because it's only the real solution for the value of m. So recall that we said 8 raised to power 8 over 2 raised to power x is equal to m. So if we use that imaginary solution for m we've gotten, we are going to have 8 over 2 raised to power x to be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So to solve this solution, we are going to take the logarithm of both sides. So we'll have a log of 8 over 2 raised to power x equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2. Simplifying this, we'll have our recall our log, we'll have our x log 8 over 2 equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So what we need to do is to divide both sides by log of 8 over 2. So if we divide here by log of 8 over 2, and we divide this way by log of 8 over 2, we are going to get our real value for x. So log of 8 over 2 will clear log of 8 over 2, and our value for x will be equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 all over log of 8 over 2. So the real positive value for x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2 all over log of 8 over 2. If you do enjoy this class, kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks so much for watching.